Hi, today we will show you how to pair sound sensor with EchoChime300. Insert batteries into the chime receiver and sound sensor. Now switch the sound sensor on. To activate sound sensor, you have to press and hold the switch on button for 5 seconds. And the LED will flash 3 times. Once you've done that, our units are ready to pair. To pair a receiver with sound sensor, you have to press and hold the left button for 3 seconds. And then LED will flash. And then press it again until you have the chosen icon. To choose sound, press right button and now the melody is chosen. To pair your sound sensor with the receiver, you have to blow into the microphone. Now it's paired. To exit pairing mode, press left button once and now the units are ready to use. To make sure our devices are paired correctly, just blow into the microphone. You've got sound and flash, so it's okay. Thank you for watching. You can visit our website at hereforyou.com, Facebook or YouTube channel. Thank you.